So you need to know what a virion is. Okay, so here, therefore, definitely, this is important. So here the nucleocapsid, what's the nucleocapsid? The envelope virus, all right. Now there are the viral genomes, okay, so you should know this, of course. But then there are two types. This is the one that attacks the bacteria as a bacteriophage. And there are the single-stranded, double-stranded. So here it is the plus and the minus. We'll be talking about that in in the next chapter. And then is it which one it attacks? Who is the host? It can be an animal virus, it can be a plant virus, it can be an archaeal virus. You okay, darling?
Yes.
So here the structure of a virion, it can have many symmetries. So the symmetry, it can be icosahedral, that means spherical, or it can be rod shaped, and that is helical symmetry. There are two types. Examples will be important. Now the capsid is individual proteins called capsomeres. What are capsomeres? Here's a capsomere. Okay, I like this pen. So enveloped viruses, look at envelope. And then the enzymes again vary because, for example, a retrovirus will have a unique set, right? So make sure you look at this. Okay, overview, these are the steps. So I can give you a question like, the steps can be attachment, penetration, assembly, synthesis, and release. Like, change the sequence.
Put them in order.
Put them in order or recognize the correct order. So replication is here. This would be important. And there will be this will be the maturation phase, the eclipse phase, the latent period. What's the latent period? This will be the titer and the plaque. What are the ways to check? Plating efficiency, I don't want. Attachment, penetration, restriction, modification, genome replication, and circular permutation is going to be important because I will be definitely asking you about concatenases. What are the early proteins, middle proteins, and the late proteins? This is the packaging. Finally, we are coming to the replication. This will be the circular mode of replication. This is going to be very important. This is also going to be important, but we are going to be talking about this in detail, okay, in the next few chapters. Now, what is so important about them? So important about them, of course, you need to understand that it goes in through endocytosis, and this is endocytosis. This is one. And then, of course, after entry, must lose after they will lose this, the envelope. So the nuclear membrane for replication, and the difference with the animal cell is the animal cell has a cell membrane. Okay. Now this will be important. What will be especially persistent infection and latent infection. Retrovirus, this will be important. You can look at this, but this will be more important. Okay, so like you notice that whatever it is we are doing, even it's short, it's in detail.